This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the pencil model and updating your iPad. Different models pair differently and Find My support depends on firmware. Once done, sign into the same Apple ID on the iPad and enable Bluetooth and Find My in settings so the pencil can be associated. Next, physically attach or plug in the pencil. Snap the second gen to the magnet side or connect the first gen to Lightning. This initiates pairing and lets the system recognize the accessory. Once the pencil shows connected, you proceed to link it to Find My so you can locate it later. Open Settings, tap Bluetooth, then the info icon beside the pencil entry. That screen exposes accessory details and any Find My toggle. If the option appears, choose Add to Find My or enable Share My Location for accessories to register the pencil with your Apple ID. If there's no toggle, make sure iPad OS is updated and pairing fully finished. Then retry the linking steps. Finish by opening the Find My app and confirming the pencil is listed under Devices with a recent location. That confirms the accessory is tied to your Apple ID. You can test by walking a short distance with the pencil and checking the app to see an updated last seen point. If the pencil doesn't appear, reset iPad Bluetooth, restart the iPad, then repair the pencil. This clears transient connection issues and forces the device to re-register with Find My. Try that before contacting support.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.